Hi everyone, my name is Gurupati Harsha. I am from CSC DS final year. My roll number is 22G2183240. So I have done my full semester internship under the guidance of iGenuine platform, and I have done the course in Java full stack. So I would like to share my few details about my FSI full semester internship. Here are the details about that. What are the course outcomes? Let us demonstrate the theoretical learning outcomes and integrate the theory and practice during graduation, comprehend the industry practices in the relevant and allied field of study, develop communication skills in the terms of oral and written graphical communications, develop problem solving skills, develop work habits and teamwork in a multidisciplinary setting for a successful career after graduation. These are the course outcomes that have been yeah, taught in my full semester internship, and I have expected many of them from this above list. So let us go to at the end of course. I was able to learn Java, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They had taught me Java full stack. The Java full stack I have gone through Java, basics of Java, core of Java, programming language, and HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And I also had built an project regarding this internship program. So let us go in detail about what are the things that are being taught in our during our internship, full semester internship. So let us see Java. What is meant by Java, and what I have learned in Java full stack program. So this is an Java is a widely used language, programming language. It is an object-oriented programming language designed to be platform independent. Java is platform independent, and meaning code written. It does means that code written in Java can run on any device that has a JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. It follows the principle of write once, run anywhere, making it popular for building platform applications. Java is known as for its simplicity, security, and robustness, and it is commonly used in the web development, mobile applications, especially on Android. Most of the users are using Android nowadays. So to develop such kind of apps that are present in Android mobiles, they are using Java nowadays mostly. Java is a platform independent and enterprise level systems. They are also going to be done in enterprise level system. Let us see more about Java. Why do we choose only Java? Java provides a rich set of libraries, framework that help developers to build scalable and high performance applications. It supports features like automatic memory management, where it means garbage collection, multi-threading, and a strong type checking, which make programs more reliable and efficient. Due to its stability and large community support, Java remains one of the most in-demand programming languages in the top over world. Widely used companies by the backend systems. For the backend systems, we are using Java, and the cloud applications also we are using Java, and large scale industries and development also we are using Java. So this is what why and why what we are using, what for and why we are using Java nowadays. So let us discuss about the main concepts in Java. As we see, I have done my internship in full stack, Java full stack. I have learned about this core Java. Let us go in detail about them. I have learned about the OOPS concept, platform independence, multi-threading, what is meant by exception handling, and memory management, and a strong type checking. So let us see each of them briefly. Short note. Okay, let us go in depth. What is OOPS in Java? Is a major question that is being asked by each and every interviewer that is being seated opposite of your table. So please make a note of it, or please go through it. OOPS, object oriented programming. Java is built around OOPS concepts, which include class and object. A class is a blueprint where objects are instances of the class. Suppose if you have an blueprint of a house, and the objects that are instances of the class. So it is a best example, such as we can see their encapsulation. What does mean by encapsulation? Wrapping data and methods together. Wrapping of data and methods together and restricting access using mobile modifiers, using access modifiers. Inheritance. One class can inherit properties, methods from another class. It does mean inheritance as we see in our blood relations. Inheritance, it means that genes that are which are coming from your parents or grandparents, that is called inheritance. One class can inherit properties and methods from another class. Suppose if you have a slight difference between your father and grandfather and you, then it is an inheritance property. So it comes under inheritance in biology. So as of now we are discussing about inheritance in Java OOPS programming. So let us see polymorphism is the main important thing, which is a one method which can perform different tasks like a method overriding and overloading. This is the main thing that it is being used in Java to come across many programs. Abstraction, hiding implementation details and showing only essential features. Let us see what does platform independence and multi-threading, what are the differences between them. Java isn't platform independent. Okay, independence means that the code is written only once when we can run on any system without modification. This is possible because Java programs are compiled into bytecode, which is executed by the Java Virtual Machine. As long as the device has a JVM, uh, Java Virtual Machine, the Java program can run smoothly on different OS operating systems. Like Windows, we can also operate it as a window in Windows, like Mac OS and Linux. In these three, we can also use this Java. Okay, multi-threading. Multi-threading in Java allows program to perform multiple tasks at the same time. It allows Java program to perform multiple tasks at a time. Suppose you are going to watch, for example, you are going to watch mobile phone and you are going to see YouTube, Insta, and WhatsApp at a time. It allows to perform multiple tasks at a time. Then it is said to be multi-threading. Now let us go through exception handling. Exception handling is a mechanism in Java that helps manage runtime errors in a controlled way using keywords like try. There are keywords that which is used to be except error find errors, find and manage errors during runtime. They are try, catch, and finally. These three are the keywords. Not only three, there are more. These three are the main major three keywords that is which is used by exception handling. Developers can handle unexpected situations without stopping the entire program. So this ensures that the program continues to run smoothly whenever occurs. So what is meant by memory handling? Memory management in Java is handled automatically through a process called garbage collection. The system identifies and removes objects and that are no longer needed, freeing up memory space. This reduces the chance of memory leaks and eliminates the need for manual memory allocation and deallocation by the programmer. It is meant by memory handling. As of now, we have gone through HTML, CSS, and also JS, JavaScript. So let us discuss about HTML. HTML, what does HTML means? The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. So this is the basic building block of web pages used to structure and display content on the internet. Using tags like there are certain tags that are which is being used in HTML, such as HTML header and a body and h1 and a header tag and paragraph tag. All these tags are being used in HTML code to build an web page. So to organize elements such as text, images, links, table forms, etc. It is a markup language, not a programming language. So that focuses on structure rather than logic. Here it focuses only structure, not logic, not rather than logic. So here we are using that HTML5 Includes features like multimedia support, semantic tags, improved forms, while working together with CSS and for styling and JavaScript for interactivity. As we have discussed earlier, I have gone through CSS and JSS. Why do we use CSS? CSS is used for styling the web page, and JS JavaScript is used for interactivity. As we can see, it consists of topics or build important topics that help in building web pages. The basic structure elements are HTML tag, header tag, body tag, and define the layout of the. These define the layout of the web page, and text formatting allows you displays using headings H1 to H6 tags, and whereas p is denoted as p tag is denoted as paragraph tag, and italic tags are being there. Links and navigation are created using the a tag to connect different pages. Images and multimedia let you add pictures, audio, video using image tag, audio tag, and video tag. No, there are many order and unordered lists. These lists helps in organizing data clearly, so the tables are used to display data in rows and column forms. Forms allow user input through fields like text boxes, buttons, checkboxes. Semantic elements such as header, footer, and an article improve readability and accessibility. Finally, HTML works with the CSS for design and JavaScript for interactivity, making it foundation for all forms. Let us see about CSS. CSS is used to style and design the web page. As we have discussed earlier about this, it is the main topic. CSS includes selectors, properties, and values, which define style and how to style. Other important concepts include responsive design, which ensures website look good on all devices using media queries, and units like pixels, percentage, EM for sizing. These are being used in CSS. Now let us go to JavaScript. JavaScript is widely used programming language, primarily designed to make web pages interactive and dynamic. Whereas if you are going to open a web page and you are going to feel like it's an empty and it's like boring, you won't open that again. So whereas using JavaScript, we will find a responsive web page and dynamic, interactive and dynamic web pages. So if you go through this JavaScript, then it will make JavaScript runs directly in web browsers like Google. It also runs in web browsers like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, allowing developers to create features as animations, form validation, real-time updates, and interactive maps. It follows an event-driven, object-oriented, and functional programming style, making it flexible for the different types of development. Over time, JavaScript has expanded beyond the browser environments like Node.js and React.js to build server-side applications, APIs, and even full-stack systems are using single language. It supports modern frameworks and libraries such as React, Angular, and Vue.js, which simplify the process of building complex user interfaces. Because it is versatility and large community, JavaScript remains one of the most popular and essential programming languages in the software development today. So I have built a project regarding this internship full semester. So let us go through it. I have done my project on travel blog that is being given by the instructor. So I have developed this using HTML, CSS, and JS. So whereas the HTML is used for building a web page, so to building a web page, I have used this HTML. This is a dynamic and responsive web application used to showcase various travel destinations, experiences, and guides in engaging and user-friendly format. The objective of this project was to create visually appealing platform where users can explore different places through structured content, images, and interactive elements. The website was developed using HTML and structuring content, CSS for styling, and JS for adding interactivity. As I told that all the things are being used over here, and I also the layout of the traveler was used implemented using a modern CSS techniques such as a flex, box, and grid. CSS grid was mainly used to design overall pages structure, including sections like header, blog, post, sidebar, and a footer, ensuring a unorganized layout. Flexbox was used within components to align items, navigation menus, cards, and consent sections efficiently. So the travel blog project successfully demonstrated the application of the modern web development techniques to create responsive, user-friendly, and visually appealing website. By integrating HTML, CSS, Java, JavaScript, it shows how structured content, styling, and interactivity work together to deliver a smooth, engaging user experience. The use of CSS, Grid, and Flexbox played a key role in building a clean, organized layout, ensuring proper alignment and spacing across all sections. So, in conclusion, this project built me a strong foundation in web development, prepared me for creating practical and real world applications. Thank you.